Hey everybody, it's Anna, just checking in. It is Friday. I look like absolute. That's okay. Um, I really wanted to post my Texas vlog. However, I've had to I've had a busy week, and even though it was short and with New Year's and everything, it's been difficult and tasking and all of that. You don't need to hear me complain, but I have not finished it, and it's something so special to me and something so important to me that I don't want to half-ass it. And I have plans to completely redo my beauty room, which I'm in right now. I'm not gonna show you guys how bad it is because you would just be like, girl, are you a hoarder? But my sister used to just drop off clothing here, without even asking, as if we were some kind of as if me and Rocco were some kind of charity case. And I know she meant well by it, but she gave us a broken dresser the one time. That just irked me. But anyway, so I got my box lights. So let me flip my camera around and show you my box lights. I have not opened them. Let's unbox them. Why not? Why not? This is all to help the channel grow and flourish. So let me get some scissors so we can open these up. I have no idea what they're going to look like. I'm not going to really mess around with them too much because I don't want to break them. I will insert a picture of what they look like so you guys know. And I'll tell you right now, I got them off of Amazon. So let me grab scissors really quick. I hope they're not broken because my goodness, these are lights and the box is really banged up. Okay, so you could probably see in the background my husband's G.I. Joe collection. That's his passion. We have this guy right here, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that this is one of the box lights. It opens up. Oh my goodness. Okay, so look at that. So the bulb is going to go in there. And the bulb is, they better have included the bulbs. I think they did. But you can adjust this to your liking. For right now, I'm just going to kind of keep it closed. But here's a plug for it. And then there's another one that's just like the one we opened. Another one that's just like the one that we opened. So 1, 2, because they're going to be on both sides of me. And then one is going to hang off of one of them and go above me. So that there's a light on both sides of me and above my head, which is just... the lighting is going to be incredible, I hope. So it looks like these are the light bulbs, you guys. So that is the bulb. And what wattage is this? This is 65 watts, 110 volts. So this is going to go inside of what I just showed you. I'm we're going to be very careful with that. So we know, I figured these were the bulbs. So there's the bulbs. And then I'm interested to know what this is. What's in here? Like, opening my ring light was so easy, you know what I mean? Because it was just, you know. And I actually thought that was kind of difficult, but this is like crazy. Okay, so this is a stand. Oh, yep. Here's the head of it. So this is a stand for one of them. With my new camera, like, I needed some kind of lighting, and actually Nicole Concilio just did a video on like what she uses for her camera equipment and for her lighting and all of that. And she said that, you know, if you're first starting out, you don't have like a lot of money to invest in like crazy, like thousands of dollar lights, then these are the lights to get. So these are box lights. Once again, I will tell you that probably a million times. I'm gonna need Rocco's help to set all of this up because I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm going to set these up tomorrow. Even though I have plans to redo the beauty room, I'm going to be filming, so I need my lights regardless. So here are the two other bulbs, like I said. One here, and then one above my head. And then, again, here are the poles that will set all of that up. What I do like is that everything has a case. Like if I wanted or needed to travel with this, it has a case. I mean, granted, it's not the best case in the world, but it says Keshioi? I don't know. That's the brand. And yeah, I guess I would just put everything up in there, even though, maybe it would fit, I don't know. And then, yeah, so that's it. So we have everything. I mean, these weren't, you know, cheap, but they weren't thousands of dollars. Do you know what I'm saying? So it has instructions. Oh, here. This is what it looks like. Oh, okay, so in here it tells you like everything that we just opened. My goodness, I should have opened this first. So we got two 60 by 60 centimeter single light head soft boxes, which are these guys. We got 3 stands, because there's 3 asterisk 2. I'm stupid, okay. We got 65 wool, yeah, we got the 3 bulbs, we got the carry bag, we got the single light head soft box, because like I said, there's 3, and then the bracket bar. The bracket bar is very important because that's the one that's going to go above my head. This is the reel, and then we have the sandbag. So like 1 through 9 instructions. That's good because I need that. This is a territory that I have not yet entered, and I'm about to. And I'm excited about it because I love my channel and I want to give you guys the best quality that I can. And that's why I got these for the channel. So, enough of that. What's this little guy? I'm sure. Oh, I think this is the sandbag. Sandbag. Don't be sandbagging on me. So, that was probably the worst unboxing I've ever done. But I should have, like I said, showed you guys the instructions first. So, but even with my ring light right now in my beauty room, the lights go in and out. You can see it kind of dimming every once in a blue, and that's just, to me, I can't stand that. It's really driving me nuts. So I knew that I needed really good lights. If I was going to get a good camera and step my game up, I was going to get good lights. And from Nicole Concilio's video, I decided that I was going to get these box lights, because she said, you know, if you don't have the money to get, you know, crazy expensive lights, then get like box lights for now. This week was really fast and it was really tough. Today was a really tough day, and I, at the end of the day, cried all of my makeup off. So that is why I do not look, you know, the best right now. So, but I'm gonna get going since it's Friday, and that's really all I wanted to say. I will insert a picture still, and I will link down below my box lights. I do have an affiliate link for these lights, but I am not getting paid to make this video. Like, this is not an ad. I am just an affiliate with Amazon because I love Amazon. So that's really it, you guys. I love you guys, and I look forward to my Texas vlog because it's extremely important to me, and I did not want to half-ass that vlog. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to do a little bit more editing on it, and then I'm going to post it. So that's it, you guys. That's everything for this little unboxing of my lights, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. I just wanted to show you guys what I got, you know, show you guys like in person, but like not in part, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay, shut up. So yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in my Texas vlog. And then I will see you guys on Monday. But I will also see you guys on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. Primarily Twitter and Snapchat. But I'm trying with IG. I'm really trying. So that's it, you guys. That's everything. Chatty Cathy is going to zip the lip. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.